Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Here I'm doing a cat crease, a simple cat crease. So if you want to know how did I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So let's start with our moisturizer. Here I'm using the Myang Bamboo 99% from the Face Shop. So to moisturize my lips, I am using Med Repair from Nivea, just to prep everything. Here, as you can see, I'm just waiting for it to dry. Now I pick my red lipstick, but not for my lips, but to color correct my dark circles. So let's give it a try. This is actually my first time also to put this color to my eyes. Here I am using Color Correct Contour Stick from LOL in green, just to neutralize my redness and also my veins, because I got a lot of veins in my face. So there. I will just blend that. This is as a preparation to my next step, which is foundation. And for my foundation, I am using the LA Pro Curl foundation, liquid foundation, in this shade Nude Beige. I'm just patting that into my face. As you can see, it's a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but later it will oxidize. So yeah, but to add a little bit of a darker shade on my face, I will be adding this another foundation also from LA Pro Girl, but this time it's in the shade Beige. I'm just blending that though. For my contour, I'm picking this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toast, and I am starting that by lining my nose, just to give shadow to it. Also on that part of my face. And let's not forget to put that also on our forehead. So for my concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Deep Foncé. And I'm just starting that by putting that part of my under eye area, and as you can see, I'm extending a little bit on the side of my nose. There you go. Of course, let's also put that on the bridge of our nose, on our forehead, and in our chin. And again, blend, blend, blend. Let's do the blending thing right here. I'm just making sure that there will be no harsh lines. So yeah, let's just blend, blend, blend. Because as they say, blending is the key, you guys. So there you go. Just blend that evenly, just to give more shadow, depth to your face, definition. There you go. So to set the concealer, I am using this final powder from Nichido. It's in Creamy Glow. I'm just putting that under my eyes, on my smile lines, and right below the contour, right below where I put that contour also, and in my forehead. Just to prep my brows, I'm just using my spoolie, and here I use Lastro's brow gel in natural brown, and as you can see, I'm just outlining the shape of my brow. I am making it as straight as possible, and I'm starting to blend that. And don't forget to do the faded effect on the part of your brows, because having a solid line right there is not cute, girls. It's not cute. To prep my lid, I'm again using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Deep Foncé. I'm putting that on my lid, and using my finger, I'm gonna blend that. There you go. On the other side, let's blend. For my eyeshadow palette, I'm using Nude Expose from BYS eyeshadow palette. I just pick that shade as my to set my concealer, and then for my transition color, I use a brown shade, and to create depth and give definition to my crease, I pick that darker brown shade right there on the same palette. And here, to create the cut crease, I again use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Deep Foncé, and I am carefully, slowly drawing that crease right there. And as you can see, I am exaggerating my crease, and see the difference with my other eye. So there you go. Just create that crease, baby. Okay. There you go. And then I will just set that, and now I pick that brown metallic shade on the same palette. And for my brow bone, I kind of highlight that using another eyeshadow shade right there, again on the same palette. So as you can see here, I'm just cleaning all the excess, and to smoke out my lower lash line, I use again all the eyeshadow shade that I use on my lid. There you go. Curling time. Let's curl our lashes, girls. And I am using this L'Oreal mascara. It's called False Lash Superstar. It has two applicator. One is for the white color, which I believe gives you length, and for the black is like a sort of a finishing touch. Whatever. But yeah, if that makes sense. So here I'm just making sure that all the products that I put on my face are well blended. So I'm just brushing that. For my blush, I actually use this bronzer and highlight palette from last year's BYS, and I am picking that pinkish shade right there. For my highlight, I use that goldish shade. I just put that on my cheekbone and on the bridge of my nose, and in my chin also. For my lipstick, I am using this Ever Belena liquid matte lipstick. It's in the shade Juno. And to give more definition or more vibe to my lips, I'm picking this Intuit lipstick in the shade Fleur. There you go. So here, I'm just setting my face using my all day pressed powder from BYS. And let's not forget to set our face using our setting spray from Nichido. And voila, this is the final look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. See you on my next video.